Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Masterclass. And today again we are going to learn angles and pair of angles. And the next topic, that is means vertically opposite angle. Now this topic is correlated with opposite rays. Okay, vertically opposite angle. This topic is correlated with opposite rays. Yesterday already I uploaded about the video related to opposite rays. Now same we have to use when we have to identify opposite angle. Now see children, some most important information is here, that is means the angle formed by the opposite rays. Okay, the angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be opposite angle. Now see, first identify the opposite rays. Here QP and QT are opposite rays. Why? Because those are from a straight line. Okay, same like QR and QS, those opposite rays are from a straight line. So therefore opposite rays. And in identify the vertically opposite angle, so that time QP and QT, okay, those are opposite rays, and because of that we get the angle we get the rays QR and QS. Okay, because PT and PRS both lines are intersect in point Q. Okay, so children, angle PQS, okay, we have to get the opposite angle of RQT. Same like angle PQR is opposite of angle SQT. Okay, now I am writing here angle PQS, okay, with angle RQT. Okay, means this PQS opposite with RQT. Now next, angle PQR means here, and opposite angle is SQT. Got my point? Opposite word is there, correct? Up, down, right, left, same. Up, down, left and right. Understand? How to identify? This is simple trick. How we have to identify the opposite angles. Now the next pair, that is means angle PQR and angle SQT. Understand? These are the pair of opposite angles. And the most important note is there, that is means whatever the measurement is angle PQS, same measurement they have angle PQT. Means vertical opposite angles are always equal. Suppose angle PQS is 70 degree, so obviously angle RQT is also 70 degree. Same afterwards PQR, for example, it is 45 degree, so angle SQT, that is also 45 degree. Understood everyone? This is the most important information related to vertically opposite angle. Afterward, practice set 20. Only 2 questions are there. Now I am going to explain that. Practice set 20. Question number 1. A, P, B, C and D, and 47 they given. Okay, now see what is the question. Line AC and BD, line AC and line BD are intersect at point P. Measurement of angle APD is 47 degree. Find the measures of angle APB, means this one. Afterward angle BPC and angle DPC. Okay, we have to find out the measurement of that angles. Okay, so very simple and easy. Whatever the information they given in that question, first you have to write down. Okay, that is most important. So line AC and line BD intersect at point P. Measurement of angle APD is equal to 47 degree. Okay, so now see children, APD given. The first and most important thing, that is means angle APD, means this one, angle APD and angle APB. If I hide this part, okay, so these are linear pair. Got it everyone? And the sum of linear pair is 180 degree. So first of all write down angle APD plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. And what is the statement we have to write here? Linear pair. Okay, so APD is 47 degree plus APB we don't know, so write down angle APB like this. Okay, now angle APB 47 here plus, okay, we have to do the equation, so that 47 we have to transfer here, so 180 degree minus 47 degree. Therefore angle APB is equal to 133 degree. Okay, so we get this one, that is means 133 degree. Okay, now see, this angle and this angle both are vertically opposite angle, correct? So write down first angle APD is equal to angle BPC, and the reason we have to write down vertically opposite angle. So whatever the measure of angle APD, same measurement is there, that is means BPC. So angle BPC is 47 degree. Understand? Now we get this one and this also we have already. So now this is remaining. Same angle APB is equal to angle DPC. What is the reason behind that? Both are vertically opposite angles. So again write down angle APB is equal to angle DPC, and the reason vertically opposite angle. So DPC is 133 degree. Understood? Only three measurement we want. APD they given. We have to find out angle APB, angle BPC and angle DPC. Understand everyone? If you like the content, like and share my channel. Thank you.